Last problem, prove that the equation of the card joining the points alpha and beta on the ellipse x square by s square plus y square by b square is equals to 1 is x by into cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b into sin of alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Prove that the equation of the card joining the points alpha and beta. So first we are writing the given ellipse equation here. Here the given ellipse is x square by s square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. The equation of the card joining the points alpha and beta. So given points are here alpha comma beta. Already we know that any point on the ellipse is taken as a cos theta comma b sin theta, and this is taken as the point theta. But here given that the points are alpha comma beta. So what are the coordinates of alpha comma beta? Alpha is equals to a cos alpha comma b sin alpha, and the coordinates of beta is equals to a cos beta comma b sin beta. Now what is the equation of the card joining these two points? Given that the ellipse is x square by s square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. This is the ellipse. Now the card passing through the points alpha comma beta. Now we want to find the equation of this line. These 2 points are given. Now we are finding the equation of this line by using the formula y minus y1 is equals to m into x1 y1. Here x1 y1 means you can take any of the 2 points. M is equal to slope value, and we are finding the slope value by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So first we find the slope value, and next we find the equation of the card value. First we write the given ellipse here. Given ellipse is x square by s square plus y square by b square is equals to 1, and 2 points are given which are alpha comma beta. So given points are alpha comma beta, and we are taking these 2 points as a cos alpha comma b sin alpha and a cos beta comma b sin beta. Already we know that any point on the ellipse is taken as in the form of a cos theta comma b sin theta. So we are taking the points like that. Now what is the equation of the card? Equation of the card means we want to find the equation of the line passing through these 2 points. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So to find the equation of the card, first we find the slope value. That is slope of the line is equals to, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now replacing the values, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is equals to y2 minus y1, b sin beta minus b sin alpha by a cos beta minus a cos alpha, and this is equals to, taking b common here, b into sin beta minus sin alpha by, taking a common here, a into cos beta minus cos alpha, and this is equals to b by a into sin beta minus sin alpha, which is in the form of sin c minus sin d, and sin c minus sin d is equals to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. That is 2 cos c plus d by 2 beta plus alpha by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is beta minus alpha by 2, whole by cos beta minus cos alpha, which is in the form of cos c minus cos d. The formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 beta plus alpha by 2 into sin c minus d by 2, that is beta minus alpha by 2. Now here sin beta minus alpha by 2, sin beta minus alpha by 2 gets cancelled, 2 and 2 also gets cancelled. So the remaining value is, therefore m is equals to minus b by a into cos beta plus alpha by 2 by sin beta plus alpha by 2, cos beta plus alpha by 2 whole by sin beta plus alpha by 2. This is the slope value. Now equation of card is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. Here x1 y1 is equals to first point, that is a cos alpha comma b sin alpha, and m is equal to that slope value. Now replacing the values here, y minus y1, y minus b sin alpha is equals to f into this value into x minus a cos alpha. Now taking the cross product, the first value ay into sin alpha plus beta by 2, ay sin alpha plus beta by 2. Next value minus b sin alpha into a sin alpha plus beta by 2, that is minus ab sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to, here also taking the product, first value minus b cos alpha plus beta by 2 into x, that is minus xb cos alpha plus beta by 2. Next value minus of minus plus ab cos alpha plus beta by 2, that is ab cos alpha plus beta by 2, which implies, now first we are writing the x and y terms here, constant terms at the other side. That is, first we are taking the x term, that is xb cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus, next writing the y term, which is ay sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to, now writing the remaining 2 constants at the right hand side. That is, here the value is, first value is here ab cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus ab sin alpha plus beta by 2. which implies xb into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus ay into sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to, taking AB common here, AB into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus sin alpha plus beta by 2, which is in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of A minus B, that is this is equals to cos of A minus B, cos of alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2 and equals to AB cos alpha minus alpha plus beta by 2. Taking LCM, 2 alpha minus beta, that is alpha minus beta by 2. Now dividing this total equation by the value AB, then we get xb cos alpha plus beta by 2 by AB plus ay sin alpha plus beta by 2 by AB is equals to AB into cos alpha minus beta by 2 by AB. Therefore, the answer is x by a into cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus y by b into sin alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to cos alpha minus beta by 2. That's all. This is the answer.